Crypto whales are moving massive quantities, and more info comes out regarding Paxos and Binance's BUSD stablecoin. This is your Altcoin Buzz news. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop our latest content. Follow us on Twitter at AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. This morning, the US Consumer Price Index numbers were released for January, coming in at 6.4%. As it is a slight decrease, the market turned red as the expectation was for 6.2%. The launch of Bitcoin's non-fungible tokens, known as Ordinals, has tipped a number of non-zero Bitcoin addresses to a new all-time high of 44 million, according to crypto analytics platform Glassnode. The firm explained that for the first time in Bitcoin's 14-year history, a portion of network activity is being used for purposes other than peer-to-peer monetary Bitcoin transactions. Glassnode explained that the Ordinal surge has continued to a short-term uptick in Bitcoin network usage as of late, which has brought many new active users to the network. Primary source of this activity is due to Ordinals, which instead of carrying a large payload of coin volume, is instead carrying a large payload of data and new active users. Glassnode noted that Ordinals is now competing for block-based demand, which is creating upward pressure on the fee market, but noted that it hasn't led to significant increase in Bitcoin transaction fees. Since Ordinals launched on January 21st, the upper range of the mean Bitcoin block size has increased from 1.5 to 2 megabytes to 3 and 3.5 megabytes in a matter of weeks. Through the use of the Ordinals numbering scheme, Bitcoin users can assign arbitrary content to Satoshis, the smallest denomination of Bitcoin, which enables them to inscribe Bitcoin-native non-fungible-like images. There have been over 78,400 NFT-like images and videos inscribed thus far. Some notable Bitcoiners, such as Blockstream's CEO Adam Back, have recently expressed their dislike for the Ordinals protocol, suggesting that it derives from Bitcoin's purpose as a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. However, others have been more open to the idea. Bitcoin bull Dan Held has asserted on several occasions that Ordinals bring a more financial use case to Bitcoin. Transactions on the Avalanche blockchain grew as much as 1,500% last year compared to 2021, even as the broader industry saw a collapse of several centralized crypto players and entered a technical bear market. Analytics firm Nansen said the network demonstrated strength with notable increases in both NFT trading volume and the overall number of transactions, making an astounding 1,500% increase in a single year. Such transactional activity came even as the total value of tokens locked on Avalanche's decentralized finance apps slid from 2021's $15 billion peak to just over 900 million in November 2022. Nansen said with strong transactional totals and NFT trading volumes pairing well with new features and products set to improve user experience, Avalanche is poised for continued growth in 2023 as the entire Web3 space works to rebound from the havoc caused by the FTX collapse. Part of that growth may have come from Avalanche's subnets, a custom blockchain built on Avalanche with products such as DeFi Kingdom DFK subnet, reaching a cumulative 200 million transactions on November 13, 2022. The Avalanche C chain is short for contract chain, which is the default smart contract blockchain on Avalanche. This enables the creation of any Ethereum-compatible smart contracts. It also operates complementary to the X chain, which is used to send and receive funds in the form of AVAX tokens. The token of the stablecoin swapping service Curve gained 11% in the past 24 hours amid a broader market demand for decentralized stablecoins. While Curve does not offer native stablecoins yet, its upcoming Curve USD token is much awaited. Curve teased the upcoming issuance of Curve USD on Monday, stating an ongoing proposal would be required for Curve USD to function autonomously. The ongoing proposal would allow stablecoin pools to supply pricing data to external protocols. Such a development likely served as a catalyst for traders as demand for Curve gained, and the token saw over 770 million in trading volume on crypto exchanges. Curve relies on smart contracts instead of middlemen to offer financial services such as stablecoin borrowing, trading, and lending to users. Depositors earn annual yields of up to 4% from one of the many pools on the platform. On Sunday, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission alleged that BUSD is an unregistered security, and Paxos is under investigation by the New York Department of Financial Services. This caused bearish sentiment for centralized stablecoins such as BUSD, with traders likely looking for decentralized counterparts, which will be less likely to face legal consequences in the future. In February 2023, the number of whale transactions on Cardano significantly increased, with an average of 1,700 transactions per day valued at 100,000 or more. This contrasts sharply the 300 daily transactions recorded in January 2023. This uptick in whale activity is a positive sign for the crypto asset. Since the FTX collapse on November 9, 2022, whale and shark addresses holding 10,000 to 10 million ADA have accumulated 660 million ADA worth 235.5 million. Traditionally, investors are advised to enter positions when there's blood in the streets, meaning that prices are low and there's a lot of negativity around the asset. In the case of Cardano, the 2-week price correction and the ongoing recovery from the 82% drop in 2023 presents a lower risk for investors to buy into the asset compared to other points in its history. Crypto whales are also moving hundreds of millions of dollars worth of Ethereum. Blockchain tracking service Whale Alert reports that deep-pocketed Ethereum holders relocated 323,000 ETH worth $488 million in the past days from unknown wallets to popular US-based crypto exchange Coinbase. Cryptocurrency exchange Binance has seen a surge of withdrawals over the last 24 hours as investors appear to be spooked over recent news of regulatory action against Paxos and its stablecoin Binance USD. At the same time, the BUSD token has recorded significant redemptions, with 342 million BUSD burned over the last 24 hours, according to PeckShield. On February 12th, news broke that the United States Securities and Exchange Commission gave notice of potential enforcement action against Paxos. It alleged the stablecoin is an unregistered security, an assertion that Paxos denies. New York's top financial regulator is investigating stablecoin issuer Paxos, and according to a report, it was a rival stablecoin issuer Circle that sounded an alarm. Bloomberg reported on Monday that Circle tipped off the New York Department of Financial Services in the fall of 2022, complaining that blockchain data revealed that Binance did not have enough reserves to back up the BUSD tokens it had issued through Paxos. Data compiled from the blockchain intelligence platform Nansen shows that Binance recorded 24-hour multi-chain token net outflows of 788.5 million, caused by outflows of 2.7 billion, exceeding inflows of around 1.97 billion. A spokesperson for Binance said the exchange recently had a sell-off with more than 1 billion withdrawn in a 12-hour period, which it claims was managed with ease. The outflow and token burns seemingly are a response to those events, with crypto users cashing out of other stablecoins over fears of further regulatory action. Binance's reserves harbor the largest amount of BUSD, holding 14.4 billion worth of the stablecoin, or around 90% of the 16.1 billion current market cap. Our partners at Hector Network, an expansive decentralized ecosystem run by utility token HEC and complemented by the Tor stablecoin, have just partnered with Borussia Dortmund to give football fans a chance to train with professionals. Borussia Dortmund is one of the most traditional and loved teams in Germany, with a growing dedicated fan base worldwide. This partnership is a massive step forward for the Hector Network, providing them with plenty of business and networking opportunities as well as mainstream recognition. All season long, they'll be giving away tickets, merch, and other unique experiences for fans.
Borussia Dortmund and Hector Network partnered up in order to support the fans around the globe. Show us your most creative crossbar hit that you and your teammates have to offer. The prize? Our BVB Football Academy will come and train the winning team for an entire weekend. In other words, BVB is coming to you. That was awesome. Now show me what you got.
For their latest contest, you can find the link in the description below. Wanchain has made a name for itself as a decentralized bridge that helps crypto users move tokens between chains. In addition, Wanchain believes that the future and potential of blockchain depends on interoperability. Our partners at Wanchain have announced another impressive partnership with Aster, which will see Wanchain's USDT Xflows service arrive on Polkadot. USDT is no doubt the most popular stablecoin used for various purposes. However, for a long time, centralized exchanges were the easiest way to move native USDT between dozens of chains where it was minted. But Wanchain's Xflows changes all that. Xflows leverage Wanchain's cross-chain bridges to enable non-custodial transfers between chains without needing centralized exchanges. This makes Aster the first Polkadot parachain to experience the USDT Xflows services. Aster currently supports USDT Xflows via chains such as Arbitrum, Avalanche C-Chain, BNB Chain, Ethereum, OKC, Polygon, Wanchain, and Tron. The launch of Xflows on Polygon means Wanchain's vision of interoperability is fast advancing, and more people will be able to bridge their USDT across native major chains. That's it for your Altcoin Buzz news update. I'm your host, Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.